So this is very interesting thing which I like, and I have already started a course also on it. So it's there on goldensunriseacademy.in. So you can always go there, have a look on it, have an idea about what is this course about, and you can join the course also. And any doubt, of course, I'm already there. Now we are entering into the soul calling journey. Keep your eyes closed, body relaxed. Whole body is relaxed. Legs are relaxed. All the joints of the legs are relaxed. The muscles are relaxed. Stomach area is relaxed. Walking through your infant. You're walking through your womb area. Feeling very good. Happy. Now you're seeing a door. Open that door. The soul is sitting there. Connect to your soul. Ask the soul, what is it that I need to know? What is it that I need to connect? Please tell me in the easier way. It's asking, it's telling you that it needs more clarity. Okay. The soul is it's in a confused state with many things. So there is lack of clarity in the situation. Whatever has come to your mind, it is asking for clarity. Because many things are there, but many things are happening, but there is no clarity into it. So you need to have more clarity and then work on it. Okay. Because without clarity, awareness won't come properly. And both have come through the heart area only. Okay. So you need to go within and understand what your heart wants to say actually. And the other number which you said was 28. A lot of EMF radiations are there around which has to be reduced. Okay. Which are coming in between, which has to be, and you have to raise your vibration for that. So, because it shows that it wants to connect to consciousness, but for that you have to raise your vibrations. Okay. You are having good vibrations, but they are, getting fluctuated in between. Okay. Because you know what has to be done, but you're not putting that much effort to be done. Knowledge is there, okay, but knowledge has to be now transformed into wisdom also, using both knowledge and action both. So karma and dharma both you have to combine it to get it to that absolute area which you have to go.
Okay. Okay.
So because that is what you were looking for, connecting to the higher consciousness. It wants to connect. Okay. You want to be there. You're liking that. You're liking to be there. But if you want to be there, you have to work with your vibrations, which are not that at that they are at a lower vibration.
Yeah, the consistency is not there. Consistent work नहीं होता है
हाँ
बीच में
नहीं है
छोड़ देते हैं.
तो थोड़ा और अपना तो
किसी
वो
पर्सन के साथ कोई हर्ट नहीं है. हेल्थ.
हाँ तो कहीं ना कहीं सन की एनर्जी की कमी है फिर आपके अंदर.
हाँ
So
वो तो ठीक है, वो एक्सेप्टेड.
तो वो आपको करनी पड़ेगी, क्योंकि और उसने आपको अटका के रखा है। तो आपको ना कुछ आगे का रास्ता दिख रहा है, ना कुछ कनेक्शन दिख रहा होगा, कुछ नहीं हो रहा है। तो उसने अटका के रखा है। तो द बेस्ट थिंग इज, यू नो, जस्ट आपको भी इनर सेल्फ में ज्यादा जाना पड़ेगा, एंड मेडिटेशन टू गेट द आंसर्स टू योर क्वेश्चन, बिकॉज जो हो गया उसका आप कुछ कर नहीं सकते हो। ओनली थिंग इज के ब्रिंगिंग अवेयरनेस के हाउ यू कैन नाउ वर्क so that you don't get the problems again. That's the only way you have.
हम्म,
So,
ठीक है।
okay. तो अभी ये प्रॉब्लम्स हैं तो है, इसके साथ मुझे जीना ही है, करना ही है। एंड समथिंग, एंड ये सर्वाइवल मोड आपका अटका भी शायद इसीलिए होगा कि हो सकता है कि यू आर नॉट हैविंग राइट टाइप ऑफ पीपल अराउंड यू, who are not guiding you
अभी
or helping you properly.
अभी बस मिले हैं अच्छे, मतलब होपफुली अच्छे मेड्स। दैट इज द ओनली थिंग दैट इज ड्राइविंग मी नट्स।
Can, do for the group also, any of your groups, if you're having, where you want me to do this session, I can do it. Only soul calling session, not the soul journey, because you, at least three of you have done that soul journey. It takes a separate, different time with individual. So, but soul calling session I can take, you know, okay. So that you can tell me whenever you all want to do, I can do it for any of your groups also. Because I love doing. हाँ, okay.
मेरा भी
That's why I asked, no?
सजेशन 9 है, और मेरे मन में जो आया 54, 5 + 4 = 9 ओनली।
Nice.
तो कोई भी नंबर मेरे मन में आया ही नहीं, सिंगल।
Wow, good. मेडिटेशन वो इधर इधर ही थी। मतलब ज्यादातर आप देखोगे कि जनरली सब लोग, काफी लोग सर्वाइवल एरिया में ही रहते हैं। फर्स्ट एरिया में, फर्स्ट चक्रा
Hmm.
में, रूट चक्रा में। बट जब हम आत्मा से कनेक्ट होते हैं, तो आत्मा बता रहे कि हम कौन से चक्रा में हैं, हम किधर हैं अभी।